Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of iCloud on your MacBook. Let's get started. Whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or even an iMac, the steps are exactly the same. So let me walk you through it. First, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Apple icon. From the menu, choose System Settings. Once the settings window opens, you'll see your name and Apple ID right at the top left. Click on that. Now inside your Apple ID settings, you'll see iCloud. Tap on it and you'll notice all the services that are being synced with your account. You can choose to turn off specific items if you want, like photos, notes, or contacts, just by toggling them off. If you'd like to keep any files locally on your Mac, make sure to select Download from iCloud before signing out. Once you're ready, click the back arrow to return to the main Apple ID page, scroll all the way down, and hit Sign Out. You'll be asked if you want to keep a copy of your iCloud data, such as contacts, calendars, or passwords. I recommend selecting Keep a Copy, especially if you have enough storage space on your Mac. Finally, you might see a message about removing your Apple Pay cards. Just confirm by clicking Sign Out, and that's it. You've successfully logged out of iCloud on your Mac. You can always sign in with another account later if you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.